Hey guys, we're continuing our sports betting video series here. We're going to do Moneyline and the Total today. So we're going to go straight into it. We're going to take a look at a little example here from Bodog. So this one here is Denver Broncos at San Diego Chargers. And then when you look at this column here, it says Moneyline. And then it just gives you odds. Minus 165 for Denver and plus 145 for San Diego. So what does this mean? It's very simple. Betting on the money line means that the team you bet on just has to win the game by any amount of points and you will win the money line. That's it. Simple. So because of this, the money line usually contains odds that vary quite drastically because sometimes the team's a lot better than the other one. So we're going to go look at a quick example here. So you bet $100 on San Diego Chargers to win the money line, okay? How much profit do you earn if San Diego wins 21-20? It actually doesn't matter how much they win by, but as long as they win the game. And if they do win, you get a payout of plus 145 according to the moneyline odds here. What does that mean? Simple. It just means $100 that you bet. So the $100 bet will win you 145. Wins 145. That's simple, okay? If you want to take a look into how the odds work a little bit more in depth, I made a video on how to read sports betting odds. So this is just a simple one here. If they win by 1 point or more, they cover the money line. So now we're going to go into the total. This one is a little bit different here. So the total is on this column here. You notice how there's 44 for both of them, but in the bracket it's minus 115. The other one is minus 105 here in this example. And then there's an O and then a U. So this is what it means. The total refers to the total amount of points that will be scored by both teams combined. Okay? You may bet over the total or under the total, and the payout corresponds with the number in the bracket. So let's take a look at number 3 here and number 4. If the total points scored at the end of the game is 44, in this example, it's considered a tie, so nobody won the bet. It didn't go over or under. In this particular case, the total is 44. Number 4, I put a star here. If the total is not a whole number, example 49.5, there cannot be a tie because there's no half points in football or basketball or most other sports. So I'm going to go take a look here at an example. You bet over the total. What is the outcome of your bet if the final score is 21-14? So if we combine 21-14, we're going to get 35. If you look over here on the total is 44. So if we bet over 44 points, this one is clearly 35, so you're going to lose that bet, okay? So this is a lose. So now we're going to take a look at the next example. You bet under the total. What is the outcome if the final score is 34-10? We take a look again. 44 is the total. 34 plus 10 equals 44. So it's a tie. You don't lose or win any money. Okay? So one more thing here. The odds in the brackets, again, those are how to read sports betting odds. I made a video about that. Go and take a look. It's a little bit longer than this one. So, but in the meantime, Moneyline and Total, that's pretty much what it is. And then I'm going to continue making more videos on this sports betting video series. Thanks, guys.